Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I know I haven't posted in a few months. I know, but I'm back today with a hair video, and I'm gonna be reviewing the Tymo brush straightener. And I'm not gonna use it on my hair, I'm gonna use it on my daughter Mia's hair. Actually, she has really curly hair. I'll put up a few pictures of what her hair looks like naturally. I already blow dried it kind of straight, just to make the process a little bit easier, so it's already detangled. And yeah, so I'm gonna put up pictures of her curly hair just so you can see what I started with. But we're gonna go ahead and try this Tymo brush straightener. My hair is really straight naturally, so I didn't want to use it on me because I know you wouldn't really be able to tell the difference, like how it really works. So I wanted to try it on Mia's hair and really put it to the test. So yeah, we're just gonna get into the video now, and I'm gonna introduce Mia if you are new here and you haven't met her. But yeah, let's just get into the video. All right, you guys, so this is my daughter Mia. She's 7 years old, soon to be 8, and this is her hair, blow dried out, but her hair is really long, as you can see, and we're just gonna test out the straightener. First, I'm gonna put some heat protectant in. This is just the BioSilk Silk Therapy. I'm gonna put this in her hair before I use the heat on it, just to protect it a little more. I'm gonna focus it mainly on her ends because that's where her hair is driest, but I am gonna put it all throughout. And then when I section off her hair to use the straightener, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more just so I know that it's on each section thoroughly. Okay, so this is what the straightening brush comes in, just like a sleek box like this. I chose the pink, like a light pink color. This is what it looks like. It's like a very pretty satin color, satin pink color. They had a black one also, but I know Mia would have liked the pink better. So this is what it looks like. It has a rose gold ring around there. But yeah, I've never owned anything like this, so I'm kind of anxious to try it out. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I don't straighten her hair or put heat to her hair often at all. Like, I usually only straighten her hair once a year on her birthday, which is in January. And it's November now, so it's a little less than a year. But yeah, so I don't normally put heat to her hair. So that's why her hair is pretty long, it's pretty healthy. So this isn't something I do very often. I just want to put that out there.
It came with a glove because...
A heat glove.
A heat glove so it doesn't burn.
Burn your hand, yeah.
Burn your hand.
And it came with 2 clips also, and then also like a little comb, but I'm not going to use that on her hair because it just wouldn't have done anything for her. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and wait for it to heat up. Alright, so it's plugged in, and then we're just going to push the power button. And then it has a little blue light right here on one of the dots, and then you either put it up or down depending on the heat. But for curly hair, it's set to put at 410, I believe, so I think that's the highest. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wait for that to heat up, and then we'll go from there. Alright, you guys, so the straightening brush is already heated up. You'll know when all the lights are solid and they're not blinking anymore. But I'm gonna start with a small section right here. I'm gonna start with the small section and just make sure it's detangled. I'm gonna put this on. I don't know if I'm gonna need it. We'll see if it actually helps, but I'm gonna grab a small section like this. And this is the first pass, so we'll see how it works. So I'm kind of pushing down. Walk over that way, Mia. Your hair's too long. Walk over that way. Okay. Okay, so that's the first pass. And as you can see, it actually straightened a lot for one pass. I'm gonna do one more pass just towards the end because, as you can see, it's kind of not all the way straight. So I'm gonna do one more pass, a quick pass. Okay, and there you go. it actually worked really well on that strand. I can see it's gonna be a little difficult to get her baby hairs because I don't want to get too close to her skin. So I think that's gonna be a struggle with this as opposed to a regular straightener. I'm gonna try. So just touching, it's fully heated up. And a good thing about this is that like, it's hot if you leave your hand on there, but if you touch it quick, it won't burn you. So that's something that's really good. Because usually like with a regular straightener, you can easily burn your neck or something. So yeah, that's one good thing.
I feel like I'm dreaming.
What?
I feel like I'm dreaming.
Why?
I'm gonna wake up and then my alarm's gonna go off and I'm not gonna be able to have straight hair anymore.
All right, so I'm gonna do one more section. Her hair's so long now. Okay, so that's one pass, and that's all I'm gonna do for that section because it clearly did its job on one pass. I mean, it's working pretty well. Yeah, so like I said, it's kind of hard to get close to her hairline to get the baby hairs. So I feel like that's one of the downsides to this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of her hair, and then I'll tell you what I think after doing her whole head. Is it really better than a regular straightener or not? But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. All right, you guys, so I finished the majority of her hair, and I'm not gonna lie, it went really, really quick. Way faster than when I used a regular straightener, and I'm not sure why. Probably because I only had to do one pass per section. But yeah, it was really quick, but I'm just gonna show you guys the hair framing her face. I'm gonna do it in, sorry, the sun through the window is so bright right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the hair that's like framing her face just to show you guys how I'm trying to get as close as I can to her hair, to her head without burning her. So yeah, I'm gonna see how close it can get. So I'm gonna do this section. Just close your eyes. She's gonna close her eyes because it's really bright coming in through this. The sun's really bright coming in through this window right here, but it's such good natural lighting, I just couldn't pass it up. So we're gonna do this section right here.
Even when I close my eyes, it's like a blue circle right here and then the rest is red.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Fine. You can straighten my eyelashes.
You want straight lashes. All right, so that was one pass, as you can see, and I got pretty close to her hairline, so it's not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna do the last section right here, and yeah, like I was saying, I'm really impressed with how fast her whole head took me right now. Like literally, probably 20 minutes
Or less.
or less. Like it didn't seem that long at all. So that's really cool. Okay, let me try to do this little section right here. Okay, don't move.
I'm scared.
Don't move.
Are you for me?
No! Okay, I got close enough. Okay.
You're gonna have to like do that.
Wait. Look to the camera.
I can't
I'm gonna
look.
brush it through. Oh, okay, well face the camera. Alright, so I'm just brushing through her whole hair now, and then I'm gonna show you guys the back. So I feel like it did a pretty decent job compared to a regular straightener. I do feel like I get a straighter, pin straight look with a regular straightener because with a regular straightener, you have the two sides, right? So they're like pressing the hair in between and pulling it as you go. With this one, you have to kind of use one hand to pull and then the brush to like push to get it kind of taut. So that's kind of hard, and I think that's why I'm not getting the results that I do with the regular straightener. But I think the straightener is really good for maybe a beginner. One being that it's just a really simple design, not many buttons at all, so I do like that. Another is that I like that it doesn't burn you when you touch it like this. If this were metal, I know that it would just like sizzle your skin up. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good product. If you have a regular straightener, I wouldn't go crazy about getting this, but if you don't have a straightener and you wanted to try something new out, I think it'd be a good gift for maybe a niece or a daughter if it's their first straightener. So what did you think about it, Mia? Tell me your thoughts about the straightening brush.
It was quick. I like how it didn't hurt at all. You didn't even really need to do it twice. You just need to do it once. That's why I like it.
And you like the color?
Yeah. Does it click?
Yeah. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much all for this video. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'll have all the links down below. I really think it's a good gift for the holidays. Like I said, they come in this light pink and also a black color. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please leave a comment down below and a like if you liked it. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!